Welcome back to Decobloom. What does it actually feel like to walk through one of Paris's most extraordinary classical mansions, room by room, floor by floor? Today, we are going to find out together. I am so glad you are here, because what we have prepared for you in this video is nothing short of spectacular. Let's step inside. Step into the heart of a classic Parisian mansion and feel the weight of history surround you. The Grand Salon is a room designed to impress. Every gilded molding, every silk-draped window, every piece of antique furniture placed with deliberate precision. This is not just a living room. This is a statement of taste, refinement, and timeless French luxury. The kitchen of a Parisian classical mansion is far more than a place to prepare meals. It is a room steeped in tradition and craftsmanship. Marble countertops, hand-carved cabinetry, copper cookware hanging from iron racks. Every detail speaks of a culture that has always treated cooking as an art form worthy of the most beautiful surroundings imaginable. In a classical Parisian mansion, the master bedroom is a sanctuary built for total indulgence. A canopied four-poster bed dressed in embroidered silk invites you into a world of quiet luxury, while symmetrical furnishings, hand-painted ceilings, and layered warm lighting create an atmosphere so deeply serene that every night feels like a stay in the finest palace in France. There is something profoundly intimate about the private library of a French classical mansion. Floor-to-ceiling shelves lined with leather-bound volumes, a crackling marble fireplace, a carved writing desk at the center of it all. This is a room that breathes intelligence and solitude. It is a space where great thoughts were born, and where the world outside simply ceases to exist. In the world of Parisian luxury, even the bathroom is an exercise in architectural grandeur. A freestanding clawfoot bathtub rests on polished marble floors like a throne, surrounded by gilded fixtures, crystal perfume bottles, and walls of pale veined stone that seem to glow under the warmth of layered candlelight. Bathing here is not a routine, it is a ritual of absolute elegance. Dining in a classical Parisian mansion is a ceremony. The formal dining room is a space of remarkable proportion and beauty. A long table laid with fine porcelain, crystal glassware, and silver candelabras beneath a tiered chandelier that throws light across hand-painted scenic wallpaper. Every chair, every folded napkin, every piece of silverware is a quiet reminder that here, even a meal is an art form. Tucked away from the grand public rooms, the private study of a Parisian mansion reveals a more personal side of French luxury. Walls lined in dark silk, a leather armchair pulled close to the fireplace, a roll-top desk scattered with correspondence and quill pens. This is a room designed not to impress visitors, but to nourish the mind and spirit of the one who lives here. In a classical Parisian mansion, the dressing room is a room of pure glamour. Mirrored wardrobes reflect rows of couture garments. Open shelving displays collections of shoes and accessories behind glass, and a velvet-upholstered ottoman sits at the center like a jewel. Lit by layers of crystal pendants and Hollywood-style vanity lights, getting dressed here is its own daily performance of elegance and self-expression. Even the guest bedroom of a classical Parisian mansion is a room of extraordinary thoughtfulness. A carved wooden bed with a tall toile-upholstered headboard, walls papered in delicate florals framed by white boirie trim, a writing desk positioned beneath draped windows. Every element has been chosen to make a guest feel not merely welcome, but genuinely privileged to spend even a single night within these walls. Long before the modern living room existed, the private salon was the social heart of Parisian aristocratic life. Furnished with curved settees, silk-covered walls, and a marble fireplace topped by an enormous gilded mirror, this intimate room was designed for conversation, music, and the quiet art of gathering. Standing inside it today, you can almost hear the whispered exchanges of a society long past but never forgotten. The morning room of a classical Parisian mansion is perhaps the most tender room in the entire house, a space designed purely for gentle beginnings. Slender Louis XV chairs surround a small breakfast table, celadon-painted walls frame hand-painted floral cornices, and layered soft lighting creates a warmth that makes the start of any day feel unhurried and quietly beautiful. It is intimacy designed in architectural form. Step through the tall French doors and into the Terrace Loggia of a classical Parisian estate, where the beauty of the interior world gracefully extends outdoors. Stone columns draped in wisteria frame a view of a formal garden below. Wrought iron furniture rests on aged terracotta tiles, and layers of hanging lanterns and pillar-mounted brass lights turn evening gatherings here into something that feels utterly and completely enchanted. The music room of a classical Parisian mansion is a space where beauty and sound are treated as equals. A grand Steinway piano commands the center of the room beneath an elaborate bohemian crystal chandelier. A gilded harp stands nearby, and framed scores hang between painted silk panels. Every surface in this room seems designed to hold music within it, as though the walls themselves remember every note ever played here. A classical Parisian mansion is not a collection of separate rooms. It is a single continuous experience, where each space flows naturally into the next through a series of enfilade doorways, vaulted corridors, and sweeping staircases. From the marble grandeur of the entrance foyer to the intimate warmth of the rooftop atelier, every room carries the same devotion to craftsmanship, beauty, and the deeply French conviction that how you live is a reflection of who you truly are. And that, right there, is the soul of a classical Parisian mansion, a world where every room tells a story, every detail carries intention, and beauty is never accidental. From the sweeping entrance hall to the intimate morning room, French classical design reminds us that a home is far more than four walls. If you love this tour, please give this video a like, subscribe to Decobloom for more luxury interior journeys, and drop a comment below telling us which room stole your heart.